Hi there! Blueprints allow admins to deploy apps, configure security settings, and even customize the look of a device all from a single settings page. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to configure blueprints in Jamf Now. For this example, I'm going to configure some security settings for our organization, such as setting passcode requirements and enabling File Vault. However, if you're looking for a more detailed explanation of blueprints, be sure to check out the Get Started with Jamf Now series linked in the resources. From the Jamf Now dashboard, click Blueprints. Depending on what industry you chose during setup, you may have one or more blueprints already created. We also have the option to create a new blueprint from scratch or add one from a template. For my example, I'm going to configure this customer education blueprint that I had already created. Along the left side, we see the different areas of the blueprint that can be customized. Keep in mind that a device may only have one blueprint assigned to it at a time, so when configuring a blueprint, be sure to include all of the settings you want for that particular device. For this example, I'm only configuring those security settings, so let's click Security. My organization requires a passcode on all devices, so let's select Require Passcode. With this enabled, we now have more options to set specific requirements for the passcode. It's important to note that while both macOS and iOS devices can be assigned to the same blueprint, it's recommended to keep separate blueprints for each device type for organization and easier troubleshooting. For this example, we only have macOS devices, so let's select Require Complex Passcode, Require Alphanumeric, and let's set the minimum passcode length to 8 characters. There are many more options, so be sure to check out the descriptions for each setting. With the passcode requirements set, let's scroll down and select Enable File Vault, which will turn on File Vault encryption and escrow the recovery key in the device's detail page. Once finished, click Save Changes to enable these security settings for all devices that are assigned this blueprint. Thanks for watching.